Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a card reader to an LG Smart TV. First, locate one of the USB ports on the back or side of your television. Most LG Smart TVs have at least 2 or 3 USB ports available. Next, ensure your card reader is compatible with standard USB connections, such as USB 2.0 or 3.0. Then, simply plug the card reader directly into an open USB port. Finally, confirm that the card reader powers on, often indicated by a small light. Once your card reader is connected, grab your LG TV remote. Press the Input or Source button to bring up the input menu. You should see an option for USB device or USB storage. Select this option. Your TV will then display the contents of your memory card. Use the remote's arrow keys to navigate through folders and find your desired photos or videos. Simply select a file to begin viewing or playing it. If your LG TV isn't recognizing the card reader, don't worry. First, try plugging the card reader into a different USB port on your television. Sometimes one port might be faulty. Next, ensure the memory card is fully and correctly inserted into the card reader itself. A loose connection can prevent detection. You can also try restarting both your LG TV and the card reader. Finally, check for any power indicator, lights on the card reader to confirm it's receiving power. To ensure the best experience, remember that LG Smart TVs support various media formats. Common ones include JPEG for photos and MP4 or AVI for videos. For a comprehensive list, always refer to your specific TV model's user manual. Using a high-quality USB 2.0 or 3.0 card reader can also improve performance. Finally, always safely eject the card reader through the TV's menu before physically unplugging it to prevent data corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.